So welcome to the Direct Report 450 video. This one's on the Mitsubishi L200. This one we got is a hot bearing. This is the 05 to 2015 model. If you want to follow me, we'll see how they fit. So on this one we've got 3 brackets on either side, 3 on the passenger, 2 on the drivers. So we'll start with the rear. You can see you've got 2 fixing points here. You've got the stud on here that you reuse, and then you've got a bolt that goes into the chassis point on there. On the middle one, again, reuse the stud there and the bolt into the point there. Again on the front, same again. Stud on there, bolt in there. That's all you need to do for those. Again on here, got the bolt on there. On this one, they just rip off the stud, so be careful that you don't shear off any bolts or anything like that, because they are quite easy, especially when it's an old one. You can see it's quite rusty underneath, so just be careful on that. Again, you got the stud here that you use the nut on, and then the bolt up there. And on this one, again, the stud on there and bolt up there. As it is an older one, you're going to have quite a bit of bits of rust and whatnot, so just be careful when you're doing the fitting. So there'll be fit instructions in the box. There's a fitting video. You can call us up for advice and we can help you, or you can call us and we can fit it for you. Bye for now, for Wi-Fi.